Hi, everyone. To a large extent, you could say we're doing for heart attacks what others have done before for stroke and CT scans. But if you look closely, the size of our opportunity, it isn't just larger, it's a completely different scale by a factor of 10. Now, in heart attack triage, the ECG remains the #1 gold standard diagnostic test. But 50% of all heart attacks are initially misdiagnosed, with around 12 million deaths annually. Now, to combat this, we've developed AI technology detecting heart attacks with double the sensitivity and up to 3 hours earlier than the standard of care. And all of this is wrapped in our PMcardio platform, an AI-powered care coordination platform that is compatible with any ECG device and comes with a mobile application, a web app, as well as deep EHR integrations. Now, deployed in the heart attack use case, PMcardio is deployed in the EMS, the PCI hub, as well as the ER rooms of a health system. When the paramedic records an ECG, they just snap a picture of the ECG, get an instant cardiologist-level insight, and if a heart attack is detected, the person in charge of cath lab activation gets notified, and once confirmed, the entire cath lab team gets alerted, being ready and prepped before the patient arrives at the hospital. Now, the results are astonishing. There's 2 active randomized control trials going on. One of them has already enrolled over 5,000 patients, and our recent interim analysis has demonstrated an over 2-hour reduction in time to treatment. We want PMcardio to become the new standard of care and drive guideline adoption. And to achieve this, the 2 former presidents of the heart attack of the associations writing the heart attack guidelines are chairing our scientific advisory board. We have prospective data showing a false positive cath lab activation reduction of 70%, yielding an average ROI of around $500,000 per hospital per year. Now, we're already certified as a Class 2B medical device in Europe. We expect FDA approval in the beginning of next year, and our regulatory efforts are led by Arezu Assar, who was previously responsible for approvals at the Apple Watch, AliveCore, EchoHealth, as well as Cardiology. We also have a former FDA director working with us, and on the reimbursement front, we're working with the same team that has previously secured Category 1 reimbursement codes for Clearly as well as HeartFlow. Now, we have already submitted our Code 3 application, and will submit our NTAP application in October this year. We're now raising $5 million to finalize US reimbursement and commercial readiness, and post-FDA, we plan a $25 million Series A for scaling US sales over the course of 3 years. Most of the funds are dedicated to US commercialization, with a sizable portion allocated to further clinical studies as well as a new clinical pathway. We've raised around $50 million so far, and we started Powerful Medical with the mission to reduce the number of CVD deaths. Today, we're 40 people. We have over 90,000 people using our technology who have impacted care for over 1.5 million patients. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Felix.